Once upon a time, in a little village, there were two lazy sons named Mark and Jake. They loved lazing around and playing video games all day. Their father, Mr. Johnson, was a wise farmer who worked hard on his farm. Johnson was a wise farmer who worked hard on his farm. One day, their father had an idea. He wanted to teach Mark and Jake the importance of hard work. So, he called them and said, "Boys, I want you to help me on the farm and learn how to take care of it." Mark and Jake groaned and complained, but their father insisted. Reluctantly, they agreed to give it a try. Their father showed them how to plant seeds, water the plants, and feed the animals. But Mark and Jake didn't pay much attention. They were too busy daydreaming about playing games. As the days went by, Mark and Jake didn't take their work seriously. They forgot to water the plants and left the animals hungry. The farm started to look messy, and the plants didn't grow well. Their father noticed their laziness and decided to teach them a lesson. He said, "From now on, you two will take care of the farm all by yourselves. I want you to learn the value of hard work." Mark and Jake were scared because they didn't know how to do everything on their own. But they had no choice but to try. The next day, they woke up early and went to the farm. They struggled to remember what their father had taught them, but they knew they had to give it their best. They started watering the plants and feeding the animals. At first, they made a lot of mistakes, but they didn't give up. They realized that if they didn't work hard, the farm would suffer. With time, Mark and Jake began to understand the importance of hard work. They learned how to take care of the plants and animals properly. They saw the farm slowly improving. One day, their father came to visit. He was amazed to see how much they had learned. He said, "I'm so proud of you both. You have become responsible farmers." Mark and Jake were overjoyed to hear their father's praise. They realized that hard work and dedication paid off. From that day forward, Mark and Jake worked hard on the farm. They enjoyed seeing the plants grow and the animals thriving. They learned that laziness didn't lead to anything good, but hard work brought success.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel AmmyStudy.